Welcome to Review Lab. The best PS4 accessory kits is probably one of the most essential upgrades for any serious PlayStation 4 gamer, offering a comprehensive package designed to enhance your gaming experience, from extended playtime with charging docks to improved control with custom grips and enhanced audio with headsets, ensuring you have everything you need to dive deeper into your favorite virtual worlds and conquer every challenge that comes your way. Number 5. KontrolFreek FPS Freek Inferno for PS4 PS5. Introducing the KontrolFreek Inferno, designed to elevate your gaming experience on PlayStation 4 and 5. These performance thumbsticks are engineered for precision. Experience a significant boost in accuracy with an added 9.9mm of height. This increases your aiming arc, allowing for more precise movements and faster target acquisition. Our proprietary rubber compound provides an exceptional, non-slip grip. Laser-etched detailing ensures your thumbs stay locked in, even during intense gameplay. Designed for comfort, these thumbsticks require less force to use. This helps reduce fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs, letting you play longer. The high-rise, convex design specifically improves your shooting accuracy. This is especially noticeable in mid to long-range engagements. Featuring a comfortable spiral pattern, they adapt to the pressure you apply. The harder you play, the more they work to keep your thumbs from slipping. What we like. If you're looking to fine-tune your aim and gain a competitive edge, these are for you. They add crucial height for more precise movements and feature a proprietary rubber for superior grip. If you experience thumb fatigue during long gaming sessions, these will offer much-needed comfort. What people say. The controller grips are comfortable and improve handling during long gaming sessions. The charging dock is a convenient way to keep controllers powered up and organized. The headset provides clear audio and a decent microphone for online communication. Number 4. FUNLAB Accessories Bundle for PS Portal. Introducing the ultimate accessory bundle designed to keep your gaming device safe and sound. This comprehensive set offers everything you need for protection and enhanced gameplay. This 8-in-1 set includes a durable carrying case, a silicone protective cover, a screen protector, and more. It's the perfect companion for your gaming device, whether you're on the go or at home. Engineered for a precise fit, this case and screen protector combination ensures your device stays secure and protected. The soft lining and molded grooves prevent any unwanted movement, offering excellent safeguarding. Crafted with a hard shell made of impact and water-resistant PU material, it shields your device from damage. A soft velvet divider protects the screen from scratches, while secure straps keep everything in place. The non-slip silicone cover provides a comfortable and secure grip during extended gaming sessions. It fits precisely over all buttons and ports, and features ventilation to prevent overheating. Experience vibrant visuals and responsive touch with our high-transparency screen protector. It's scratch-resistant, blue light-proof, and dust-proof, ensuring your screen remains pristine. This case offers generous storage with zippered mesh and compartment pockets for all your small accessories. A soft, non-slip handle makes it easy to carry wherever your adventures take you. What we like. For those who travel with their gaming gear or want comprehensive protection, this bundle is ideal. It offers a perfect fit for your device, safeguarding it from impacts and scratches. If you prioritize keeping your gaming setup secure and pristine on the go, this is the choice for you. What people say. This accessory kit is a great value for the price. The charging dock is very convenient and keeps my controllers organized. The silicone covers for the controllers feel good in hand and provide extra grip. Number 3. eXtremerate Rise Back Buttons for PS5 Controller. Introducing our redesigned K1 and K2 back buttons, specifically crafted for the eXtremerate Rise Remap Kit for your PS5 controller. These ergonomic buttons offer a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. Installation is straightforward. Simply remove the original back button housing and replace it with these new, enhanced buttons. No complex tools are required for a quick upgrade. Constructed from high-quality ABS material, these buttons are built to last. They provide a durable and practical solution for customizing your gaming setup. Express your style with a variety of color options available. Choose the perfect shade to match your controller and personal preference. This package includes one set of replacement back buttons. Please note that the controller, Rise remap board, and other accessories are sold separately. What we like. If you've already upgraded your PS5 controller with a remap kit and want to enhance the back buttons, consider these. They are specifically designed for compatibility and offer a more ergonomic feel. If you like to personalize your controller's look and feel, these durable replacements are a great option. What people say. The charging dock is a great way to keep controllers charged and organized. The silicone covers for the controllers are comfortable and provide a good grip. The headset adapter works well and allows for clear audio. Number 2. KontrolFreek FPS Freek Battle Royale Nightfall PS4 Controller Kit. Achieve superior accuracy with our best-selling performance thumbsticks. They are designed to enhance your aim and provide a competitive edge. Experience unparalleled comfort with ergonomically designed thumbsticks. Reduce fatigue in your wrists, hands, and thumbs for longer gaming sessions. Keep your hands dry and maintain focus with our moisture-wicking performance grips. They ensure a secure and comfortable hold, no matter the intensity. Our performance grips are crafted with proprietary materials that conform to your palms. Enjoy increased comfort and a superior grip for ultimate control. This kit includes both performance thumbsticks and performance grips. It's the perfect upgrade to enhance your PlayStation 4 controller's performance and feel. What we like. This kit is perfect for players who want to elevate their aiming capabilities and maintain comfort during intense matches. The performance thumbsticks boost your aim, while the grips keep your hands dry and reduce fatigue. If you're a fan of Battle Royale games and want to stay in control, this is a solid choice. What people say. The controller grips are a nice addition and feel good in the hand. The charging dock is very convenient and charges 2 controllers at once. The headset is surprisingly comfortable for long gaming sessions. Number 1. AFBPTEK PS5 Controller Charging Station Dock. Introducing the AFBPTEK charging station, designed specifically for your PS5 controllers. Keep your gaming sessions going with dual charging capabilities. Its compact click-in design ensures your controllers are securely held. With anti-slip silicone strips, it stays put, matching your console's aesthetic perfectly. Experience fast charging with its dedicated USB-C interface. It can fully charge 2 controllers simultaneously in just 2 to 3 hours, using any USB power source. Rest assured with built-in safety features, including intelligent control and protection against static damage and power surges. It's designed to keep your devices safe. The subtle blue LED lights automatically indicate charging status. They turn on when charging and off when fully charged or disconnected, providing a clear visual cue. This package includes everything you need: the charging station, a USB-C cable, and an AC adapter. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. What we like. If you own multiple PS5 controllers and hate waiting for them to charge, this dock is a game changer. It allows for rapid, simultaneous charging of 2 controllers. If you value convenience, safety, and a clean setup, this charging station will keep your controllers ready for action. What people say. The controller charging dock is a great addition to my gaming setup. It keeps my controllers charged and ready to go. The headset is comfortable and the sound quality is excellent. I can hear every detail of the game. The silicone covers for the controllers provide a good grip and protect them from scratches. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.